Ay, dapat ano ka pa naman, Max? Time chuchu, no?
Slap.
Time slap. Yun kasi
Time
video
slap
lang.
yan.
Bako, video lang siya ng regular. Hi, Philippines. Hello, viewers.
Wow.
Pagkatapos lang po namin maglinis ng room. And then vacuum, and then punas here and there. Punas right like this. Punas. And then I didn't punas myself. She punas. And
Ay, punas.
yeah. I did the sheets, the bed sheets, pillow change every chuchu. And ayun naman, dati mo pagaling ba mag-vlog ba? Kasi
Hindi.
kinukwento mo na mas nagana po.
Pero pag sanay ka na kay Max, ganun normal na rin sa iyo.
Tanggaro, ay, it's so hirap to talk.
Ay, gayon! Bia Boris! Isumabot ko ba? Ay, cute.
Did you like the isaw, friend? I don't think she liked the isaw. She liked the sausawan, but not the isaw.
We'll eat isaw.
Maybe we'll go outside and get some isaw. I don't know. What do you think, viewers? Do you think we should eat isaw? ang hirap to talk.
Sige, dapat iba ka mga content. Mahirapan
Yes.
mo para tayo.
Dahil mga iso doon, tabak na iso ka rin, di?
There's no isaw here at the house, but we can go out and get some isaw.
Hello!
Naga. Maybe we'll go to and get some isaw here and there. Maybe they have sausawan.
Like suka.
Like suka. Do you think you like suka, viewers?
Pwede na. For first timer.
Yeah.
Not much. Then
And
we'll
then,
just
how
make
about
edit the videos
Betamax?
for you.
what
What's
is beta?
Betamax? Bakula.
Dugo. It's a dugo.
Sa dugo.
Oh, it's a
Dugo ng manok.
Dugo of the chicken. My friends say it's a dugo. So for those of you who doesn't know, it's the chicken blood. Betamax.
It's
Chicken
like
blood.
brown marshmallow, I think. Sabi ba
A
ganyan?
brown marshmallow? It looks like, it tastes like a brown marshmallow. My other friend says. But, I don't know. I haven't tried Betamax. So maybe.
How about chicharon bulaklak?
Chicharon bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaklak is...
No, what is chicharon bulaklak? Bakla. What's chicharon bulaklak?
Intestine. Intestine.
Intestine. Oh, that's deep. I don't know if I could go that deep. Some chicharon bulaklak. Maybe we'll try, my friend. All the viewers, maybe you can leave a comment and like.
Make sure to follow and
Make sure to
subscribe.
follow and subscribe on my page. And
Yes.
I don't know, this is my first time vlog, so I'm showing my boobs. So you go subscribe.
Binibintang sa dirian. Para mag-subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Subscribe. All the Filipino out there. And we'll go and try some isaw and Betamax. I don't know. This is hard to talk because it's my first time vlogging. So I would like for you guys to maybe leave some comment on what you want me to do in my next vlog. I do like you to go leave a comment, please. Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Wow!